Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today I will be doing an Ariana Grande inspired positions makeup tutorial. So if you're a fan of Ariana Grande like me, you know that her new album just came out and it is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit shocked by some of her songs, to say the least. I really like how she's bringing out some of her freak side. She always has, but definitely on this album, come on. I mean, there is a song practically called 69, like. Anyways, so today I have my little Ariana pony. It's just a high pony to go with the look, and I have a couple reference photos that I'm gonna be using to recreate this makeup look. So it's not gonna be an hour-long, very tedious tutorial. I'm gonna make this as easy as possible so anybody at home can Anybody at home can recreate this look if they want to. So what I'm gonna be using is just some BB cream, powder, some blush, contour, any kind of nude colored lipstick that you like that's a little bit on the pink side, the Morphe 35O palette, and I chose this palette because it has a lot of the nude colors that she's kind of going for in this album, kind of some muted colors, and then a lot of people have this palette, and a lot of these colors are very accessible in other eyeshadow palettes. So this is the 35O by Morphe. So you can either use this or use anything similar. Don't worry if you don't have this, you can definitely use whatever you have at home. I'm gonna explain all of it, and then whatever brow product that you use, you can go ahead and grab that. And I'm not gonna be putting on any mascara or fake lashes because I got my eyelashes done and they're extensions, so I don't want to mess those up. But if you want to apply fake lashes, apply your mascara, you know, go on ahead. So let's get started. I think I got all of the materials. And then this is just a little bit of lip moisturization going on. So actually, to prep the skin, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lotion. I'm just gonna put on some of this BB cream and call it a day. I do think I'm actually gonna add a little bit of this concealer to my eyelid and my under eye just to kind of prep the area for the eyeshadow. I'm taking this big old fluffy brush and some of this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just gonna dust it all over. I'm just gonna carve out my cheekbones just a little bit like she has in the picture. And I'm just taking this angled brush, but you can pretty much use like any kind of big old fluffy brush and just go in.
Okay, so after you just blend away, baby.
And then I like to blend up a little bit into my hairline just to balance everything out. And then I dust it over my nose. Some cute, nice little contoured cheekbones. Before, after, before, after. Okay, so the brows are looking fabulous. I'm running out of blush, you guys. I think I need to buy some more. We're gonna do the eyes now, and I feel like the eyes are the most important part of the tutorial to really capture that Ariana Grande look. So I'm gonna make it really easy for you guys. Just watch me. We're just going to take some sort of nude matte color and just put it all over the eyes. So I think I'm gonna take, I guess it's not really matte. It's somewhere in between, okay. But I'm gonna take a combo of this color and this color, so those top two, and just create a base. Gonna go up into the brow bone as well. And having that concealer on my eyelid, I can already tell made a huge difference with application. It just feels better putting it on, and it kind of sticks to my eyelid. So now that we have that going on, the biggest part of this look is the triangle kind of shape that she has going on her eye. Looks like is right above this crease. She is doing a swoop up into a triangle and then connecting it down there. So you guys, she's kind of taking just like a muted brown color, so more of like a cool color. And in order to start that shape, I'm just going to take this kind of grayish brown, I guess it's called taupe, I don't really know, this taupey color. And so I get my brush a little bit wet, I dab it down, then I take this and it just sticks so much better. I'm gonna go above, a little bit above my natural crease. Ooh. So then I see when she gets to about her mid arch and tail, somewhere in between there, she actually does an upward flick. So I am going to go from here and go up and then just connect the two because I want it to actually line up with my eye. So getting my brush a little bit wet again, dabbing that taupey kind of color, and then we're going to connect this up. All right, you guys, so don't worry if it's not like perfect right now. We're gonna go in and clean it up, okay? So what we really wanna focus on now, and I'm using this really small angled brush. If you even have a smaller angled brush, that might even be better. But now we're just going to connect the two, so. So we're looking for like that gap right there, because that's kind of like what she is doing, is like a little triangle in there. What you're gonna do is take some of your concealer, just dab a little bit on the brush. So what I do is I like take this out and then I rub it on there to just get whatever excess is there. Then we're just gonna clean up that triangle. So go up. And then we're also gonna clean up that top one too, so. So I just like to let the concealer kind of sit there for a second, and then I go back in, and then that's when I clean it up and kind of blend it into my skin. Makeup is like trial and error for certain things because everybody has a different eye shape. Like not everyone has Ariana Grande's eye shape. So you just have to work with whatever works best for you. So now I have the shape that I want. I cleaned it up. So I'm actually gonna go in with this darker taupey color and define everything because I'm pretty happy with the shape. Okay, so now that we have it all beautiful and we have the shape how we like it with that cool good old triangle,
That's when I'm taking this. It's kind of a thinner, fluffy brush. And then I'm not putting anything on this brush. I'm just going to soften this out so that it blends into the eye.
so just go in the direction of that triangle that you made, and basically we're just like buffing it out so that it's all nice and smooth, and I am just going back and forth very gently.
And like I said, you're just following in this triangle that you made.
Very lightly, because remember, we're not trying to spread that product, we're just trying to make it look a little bit softer. If you want to, you can add a little bit of eyeliner. I think I might just, you're not making a wing, you're just darkening that lash line. So it does make my eye look bigger. I'm not extending it. I'm literally, as you can see, I just put it on the very outer corner.
I just have my brush completely flat.
Just a little bit of lipstick to tie it all together. Here is the finished look. I really love how this turned out. I wanted to do something a little bit different with my makeup routine, and I hope that I made it easy and simple to follow for you guys at home that also wanted to try it out. Go ahead and comment down below what your favorite song is off the album. Like this video if you enjoyed, and also subscribe to be notified whenever I post a new video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching.